Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy called batching, and using this strategy, you're going to be able to get more longevity from your mailboxes and better deliverability for longer from your mailboxes. If you don't know me, my name is David Shimula. I'm the founder of Outbound Partners. We're a lead generation sales automation company. We do things like high volume cold email, LinkedIn automation, ads, claim implementations, and things like that. Anyways, jumping into it. Okay, this strategy is called batching. And the reason why you'd want to batch is so that, again, you can get better longevity from your mailboxes. The way batching works in concept is you take your email infrastructure and you split it into two. You have batch one, batch two. All right, let me actually go to my screen here and I'll show you what this looks like in visual. Kind of. All right, batch one, batch two. The concept here is to have this right here. Batch one, month one, batch two, month two. Batch one actually should be month three. Batch two, month four. All right. And again, the whole concept is to rotate your infrastructure so you have a period where it's hot, a period where it's cooling off, a period where your mailboxes are sending, and a period where your mailboxes are off and just on warm up and just restoring its deliverability, restoring its reputation. And that's what the strategy is. It's a very simple way for you to restore your reputation of your mailbox infrastructure. Now, there are ways to do this in a more sophisticated manner using automations. If you want a fancy way to do it, then I might make another video of how to do it automatically. Right now, I just want to show you a very simple way to get better longevity from your mailboxes. All right, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your email accounts and take 50% of your infrastructure and allocate it to batch one, and take the other 50% allocated to batch two. If you don't know how to do that, very simple. You just highlight, bulk update, management, batch, assign it to batch one, save, boom, take the other two, assign it to batch two. The way you implement this is when you're creating a campaign, you're going to either select batch one or batch two. It really doesn't need to be every 30 days on the mark. It's not that precise. It's just in concept, you want to rotate them on about a 30-day basis, and you don't want to rotate it in the middle of a campaign. Although it is possible to swap the mailboxes in the middle of a campaign and reassociate the leads to a new set of mailboxes, it's probably not worth the effort, to be honest. But rather, when you know it's about the 30-day mark, move it to the other batch and keep it going like that. If you do this, you're going to get better results from your cold email infrastructure. You're going to get more longevity from your mailboxes, and as mentioned, better deliverability. So with that, I hope it helps. Like I said, it's a very simple, straightforward way to do it. You do not need any technical skills. So I wish you all the best, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.